Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to project number 10. In this project, I'm gonna make my own custom YouTube Creator Award plaque.
Why you ask?
Because I passed 100 subscribers a couple days ago. From everything I've been learning about this YouTube, they always say 100 subscribers is harder than getting 1,000. And 1,000 is harder than getting 10,000 and so on. But I passed 100 subscribers before my 10th project, and I started this YouTube. I didn't know if anybody would watch my videos or anything like that. I want to thank every last one of my subscribers for subscribing to my channel, and let's get to 1,000, baby. Show y'all the design that I came up with to make this plaque. Man, thank you guys, man. Thank you all, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. As you can see, I got the design from the new Creator Awards that YouTube, I think, came out last year. It's gonna look just like that. I'm gonna use 3 different color acrylic. I'm gonna use the white, black, and red. Everything on here is gonna be cut out. I'm gonna put everything together like a puzzle. So let's head over to the laser and cut it out. See, I got everything cut out. I got the masking off all of it. So we got to put it all together. But you can see the red, it go to white, and I got myself into a little something, cutting out these little bitty letters like this. Pain in the butt to get the paper off of it. But I managed to get all the paper off of them, and I'm gonna stick them inside of them like a puzzle. And they go to the little small YouTube play button right there. So let's put it all together. Right, there you have it. One thing I learned from cutting out little bitty small pieces of trying to cut out letters, you see like inside of the little bitty letters, like those parts, like I just couldn't find the white ones or whatever. Like I think they fell in between the cutting bed on the laser. I found a couple of them, as you can see, like right here. I found the O for that, the O for that, the zeros for the 100. I found the B and the O, but those smaller pieces I just couldn't find. Now after I have did this, I could have used the black and white acrylic right here. I could have just engraved all of this on here and cut out this part also, and still did the same thing right here and right here. And this right here, I just could have used the black and white acrylic. Well, let me get some B-roll going. There you have it, man. Project number 10 complete. One thing I can say that I learned about doing these projects is when you think you got it thought all the way through, and then when you start doing the project, something always come up and you be like, wow, I didn't even think of that right there. But that's one thing I learned, but it's a learning thing, and I'm gonna keep on doing this project. If you like this video, man, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already, man, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next project on the way to 1,000, baby. Once again, I want to thank all you guys for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I want to thank every last one of you guys for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.